Hello and everyone. My name is Krishna. This is tutorial number 42. So last tutorial for tutorial 41 I have discussed about removed multi solid section. So this is tutorial number 42 and this tutorial name is advanced removed multi solid section. So I am going to use a one path while through I can remove the section solid. So just let's start the tutorial. So I'll choose the plane. I'll choose the YZ plane. Select a sketch. Now I'll choose circle, center point circle. OK, exit. Go to pad and up to the 50. Now I'm going to create three sketch and first one I will choose the create one plane in middle or somewhere else the requirement where you want. Okay, generate the design or generate the plane. Select the plane. So now it is a 20. So it is a total 50. So you can, if you want to take a middle point, so you can take the 25. Click OK. So now I'll generate one sketch in this plane. Select a sketch. This one a sketch. A sketch. Now choose the circle. OK, exit. So one sketch is done. I will draw another sketch on this surface. So select a sketch. Choose the circle. Exit from a sketch. And I will sketch another this plane. Select a sketch. Select circle. Exit. So now we have three different sketch. So now I am going to choose going to make one spline or path. So I'll select this plane. Select a sketch. So I'll choose the spline. Select the spline. Select this point. This point. This point. This point. Click exit sketch. Now I am going to use the multi-solid section. So go to start mechanical design part. Now you can see here it is the remove multi-solid section. Click the remove multi-solid section. Select one by one all three sketch. Sketch 3, sketch 2, sketch 4. Now there is option guide spline. So I'll select this is the spline. So now go to preview. Click OK. Now just rotate and see. Now I done the I remove the material the based on the path like which path I have given a spline. Based on the requirement we can remove the material. So now you can see. So this is called remove material, advanced remove material multi solid section. So I hope you understand this tutorial. So in next video I will discuss with another tools or another commands. So until, please wait. Thank you for watching.